Lilli Luxe is the creative pseudonym for Natalie Renee, a plus-size and pin-up model originally from Texas but living in Bucharest. Lilli is shooting for advertising campaigns of underwear and clothes and leads an active blogging life. She has almost 1 million followers on Instagram. As we learned from Lilli's blog, her interests also include traveling, visiting libraries and bookstores, cooking, and watching documentaries. Lilli's favorite food is Thai noodles, California rolls, and tikka masala chicken. Lilli Luxe has more than 64.8K subscribers on her YouTube channel. More than 955,502 followers on her Facebook page and over 2.4 followers on her Instagram. And has over 68.2K followers on her TikTok account. She created her YouTube channel on July 25, 2013, which currently has more than 6,198,359 views. Her age is 32 years old with around 5 feet and 8 inches or 1.73 m tall in height. She is also known as T. Cole Kidman,